All right, beauties, popping into your feed real quick with a quick one. 5 simple things to optimize each and every workout. And some are obvious, so forgive me, but maybe you need to hear them again. They say we need to hear things 7 times before it takes. Sleep. Oh my goodness. I've said it over again and over some more. Sleep. It optimizes your biochemistry for anti-aging, weight loss, muscle maintenance, fat burning, managing your appetite with regard to your hunger hormones. Sleep, sleep, sleep. 7 to 8 hours a night. Don't screw around here. I don't care what you need. Shut off Netflix, close the computer, turn the phone off, go to bed. Next one, also very obvious, hydrate. And I've done whole videos on this, but it's pretty simple. Just make sure your pee looks like lemonade. If it's darker than lemonade, drink some water. It helps with fat metabolism. It helps with recovery from your workouts. And it gives you more energy, because the more energy you have, the more intense your workout's going to be, the better your results, okay? Which takes me to the next one, caffeinate. Unless you are off of caffeine for personal reasons, medical reasons, caffeinate. Get yourself a pre-workout that has caffeine. Nitric oxide is also great. Beets have nitric oxide, so look for a pre-workout with caffeine and nitric oxide. Mine has, I think, matcha and beet powder, and I think green coffee bean. Or by the way, sometimes I just shoot a double espresso. You do not want more than 400 milligrams of caffeine in a day, or it has adverse effects, right? It dehydrates you, depletes you, smashes the shit out of your adrenal glands, releases too much cortisol. But if you take roughly 150 to 200 milligrams of caffeine 40 minutes before you train, study after study will show us that you lift a little more, you lift a little longer, you run a little faster, because you've got more energy. And we also know that caffeine provides mental focus, cognitive function, if you will. So caffeinate, it's a natural performance enhancer. All right, what do I got? I got sleep, I got hydration, I got caffeination. Recovery, this is a big one. So we talk a lot about not overtraining, but there's under recovery. They're not the same things. They're just not. Overtraining is you're doing more than you're physically capable of, more time, too heavy, too fast, too long. Under recovery is maybe you can do all those workouts, but you're not taking the time to let the body heal and repair. Because remember, exercise is stress. Stress is actually a good thing. It's how we become fitter, stronger, more resilient. It's how our bones become more dense, right? Our body adapts to the physical stressors. So, for example, you're lifting weights, you're running, your bones are getting pounded, and they have these tiny little micro fissures in the bone. Your body has an inflammatory response, sends in bone cells and all this great stuff. They do their job and the bones get remodeled stronger. But you pound those bones day after day with no rest, and you get what's called a stress fracture. So you get the idea. It's the same thing with regard to your muscles, your bones. You need to recover. So one of the things I recommend is don't train intensely more than 6 hours a week. Don't. Make sure you take at least 1 rest day, preferably 2. Active recovery days of low intensity cardio can be counted as rest days, as long as I said they're low intensity cardio. No crazy HIIT workouts, no crazy spin classes, none of that stuff. That's not recovery, okay? Try not to train a muscle group intensely more than twice a week. And you guys have heard me talk about muscle splits forever, push and pull splits. So muscles with the same function get trained on the same day, so you don't accidentally overtrain. Push muscles, chest, shoulders, triceps, quads, pull muscles, back, biceps, hamstrings, and there's gonna be a crossover with your core and your booty. It's okay, the world won't end. But also try to divide up the ab muscles too. Like I work obliques 2 days a week, and I work upper and lower abs in particular. I focus on them 2 days a week. And this gives you 2 days of rest between training sessions. So say push muscles Monday, Thursday, pull muscles Tuesday, Friday. You get the idea. All right, what else am I missing? Recovery supplements. And don't forget things like foam rolling, muscle gun, myofascial release, massages. All of this stuff has been shown to speed recovery. So the quicker you recover, the more effectively you recover, the better your results. Remember, exercise is the architect, but recovery is the builder. That's where all those great results are happening. If you screw up the recovery, you're messing up the workout unto itself. And again, I personally do not supplement for recovery. I supplement for overall health and wellness. But if you're going bananas in the gym, you might want to consider a protein powder with branched chain amino acids. And there are other things you can take. I take a greens powder, a collagen powder, BCAAs, krill oil. If you're going nuts, definitely look into some sport-specific recovery supplements, like distance runners. You're definitely gonna wanna look into an electrolyte supplement and all of that stuff. All right, quick and easy. Okay, team, don't forget, I created this channel just for you guys. So click like, subscribe, and let me know what you wanna hear more about. If it's diet, fitness, wellness, mindfulness, I'm here for you. So give me your feedback.